Dear friends, in today's session, we are going to continue the file handling functions in C++, and we are resuming from the last class topics, that is get and put method, through which we can write different types of data into a file in C++. What is the work of read and write function? Remember, the read function is used to read the record wise data from the file, whereas the write function is used to write the record of data onto a file. What is the meaning of read and write? We know, we have discussed in many topics and many classes what we have given to you in C as well as so far as the C++ file handling. Record means, suppose a student's information like roll number as integer, name as character, mark as float, sex as boolean type of value, true or false, all type of data we want to write at a time onto a file. If we want to write all type of data onto a file, then we have to use the write function. Then if we want to read all type of data from the file in record wise manner, then we can use the read function. That we have discussed already in the last classes, because read function is used to read the record at a time, whereas the write function is used to write the record at a time, whereas the get and put is used to write and read individual characters or integer or float type of value at a time. Because a record means a student's or any product or any employee information in the terms of number of fields like role, name, mark, like this. If n number of fields are there, then all at a time can be write onto a file, so that it is easy for the user to write the data and read the data from the file. As we know, the header file to be used for file handling is fstream.h, and the conio.h is used to clear the screen so that the header file is taken. We have taken class as a student, then roll number as the member, name is the member, mark is the member. Then we have taken a get data method, because we have to start understanding from the main method. Get data is used to input the data, add record is used to add the record in a file, whereas the program execution starts from the main function. Now you see, student class object is created, student s as the object. Why the char ch equal to n? Because we have to continue till user want. One record will be added, and it asks the user add more record. If yes, it will continue. If no, it will discontinue. Then do is the post STL loop. S dot add record. S means the object, add record is the method. Then it comes to add record method that is present in the class student. Fstream is the stream which is used to open the file in both read mode and write mode. Student object stu is created. F.open student.dat, a file will be created. We can give any file name with tst. We are given student.dat, student is the primary name, dat is the extension name, or simply you can take any file name as xyz or anything else. What is the meaning of iOS app? Means the file if present, that is student.dat, it will open in append mode, means the previous record will be there and the current record will be write onto it, means add at the end of the previous records. If more than one operation is used, then the pipeline symbol is used. iOS binary means we have to write internally the data as the binary form, so that writing and reading the data will be much more faster. So stu.getData means it will go to the get data method present here, and it asks the user enter roll number. We input C in roll, enter name, we will input C in the name, and enter mark, we will be input C in mark. After inputting one record, it will again comes to where it comes from. Again, fstream object is f.write, char pointer, address of stud, size of stu, means stu is the record of the, that is the student's variable from where the data will be stored, and size of stu means how much byte it will take. Means for example, stu is storing, stu as the class object is roll, name and mark, integer 4 bytes, char 25 bytes and float 4 bytes, means it will take 25 plus 4 that is your 29 plus 4, 33 bytes of memory. Means for one record 33 bytes of memory will be taken and then the record will be returned into that, because size of is used to measure the space consumption or the space consumed by the object, because student is the name of the class object. For one record how much byte it will take. Then after this the file will be closed and again it will go to where it comes, means here. Again it asks you, do you want to add more record, yes or no? If we put yes, because getCSV is used to input the character at the runtime that is stored in the ch variable, it will check y equal to y, yes. Why or operator is given? Because we can enter the capital letter or the small letter. Again it will go to s dot add record, because do while is a post tester loop. Again do add record comes to here. Again fstream object will be created and again student object will be created. Again that file will be open in a append mode, means the previous record will be there and the current record again will be added into that. Again stu.get data, again it will comes to here. Again roll name, mark and others data will be entered and again it will write into the file. In this way it will continue till when? Till you have given s, y here. When you given n here, it will come out of the loop and the message will be shown data returned successfully, like this. Suppose you enter roll 1, Ashish, enter mark, then it asks you whether you want to continue yes or no. If yes, it again asks, like this it will continue and we will be running this program by the help of the example after reading the data. Now you see, again we want to read that data from the file. Again student class is taken, roll name and mark as the member is taken, put data is a user defined function is taken to display the data, and display function is used to display the record from the file, and we start continuing from the main function. Student object is created, object.display, it comes to where the display method, fstream, both read and write operation, fstream object is created, student class objects 2 is created, f.open student.dat, because in this file we have written previously. iOS in means that is your read mode, iOS out means write mode, iOS append means that is your append mode. Now we have to read the file and the stream operation is a binary. Now /n/t roll means it will come to the next line, tab space means 8 horizontal space will be given so that data will be displayed in the tabular format, hence /t is given. Now we comes to while, because number of record to be written, read from the file, object.read car pointer, address of stud, size of stud means one record to be read till the record is found, the data is not null. When the record is not found, again the condition means to false. Now the record is found means it is true, true not equal to false means null, yes. Stu.put data, where it comes? It comes to the put data method, user defined method, roll name and mark will be displayed. Again next record it will read, not equal to null, yes, it will go like this. When no record is found, it comes out of the loop and the file will be closed, and again it will comes to the main method and the program ends. Now the output will be displayed in this format, roll name mark, and in the record wise manner it will display 1 Ashish 80.53, 2 Kushal 72.65, like this. Number of record 100 or 1000 or n number of record will be found there and it will display one by another. In this way we write the record wise data by the help of write function and we read record wise data by the help of your read function. Now we have to run this program by the help of the program in the turbo environment. We are moving to the turbo environment. Previously we have created and written that file. Now we have to first write that record. Same program that is given there, it is being there. Now I start running the program. It asks you enter roll number. Suppose I get 100 and name is Sriram. Then mark is suppose 78. It asks you add another record. Yes. Suppose roll number 200 I have given. 200 I am giving and name is Shreyansh and mark is enter is 90. Suppose no more record I want to write, then N, data written successfully. Now the data is written. Same program that I have shown you in the PPT, that is being written here. Now the read things will be done by the help of your, that is your read the record from the file. See, same program is written what I have represented in your PowerPoint. Now only I want to run it. Now you see, I have run it again. Again I am moving there. Suppose roll number is 600, name is suppose Ram, and mark is suppose 90. Do you want to add another record? No. The data written successfully. Now what I want to show you, this program will be written for displaying the record. Now I want to run this program. Say 100 RAM displayed, 200 ranks displayed, 600 RAM displayed. What about 1 2? Because previously that file exists, hence that record appears. If we are writing instead of app iOS out, so that the current record will be visualized. In this way, we write the record into the file and read the record from the file by the help of your write method or write function and the read function. See, for reading the data, the same program is written, what I have represented in the form of your PowerPoint presentation. I think today's session is essential to you, and if you are having any doubt, please make the comments, and having any queries, please also make the comment. If you like this, kindly like the video. We are coming with some new things in file handling in the next classes with some programs, and due to busy schedule we could not send the video regularly. Now within a day or two, the regular small videos which is essential to you will be sent. Kindly cooperate with us. Thank you. See you in the next class.